kayaking?
Yeah, I think it'll be fun.
I think so too.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Dang, man.
Okay, as long as one of us has one,
Yeah.
so we can follow
Yeah.
that one person who knows where they're. I can focus on one thing. Like I can.
It's gorgeous, man.
See you later, bud. Did you meet somebody? You guys going? About 5 minutes later, there was about 30 cars this way, 30 cars that way. Babe, do you want to put the paddles together?
It's gorgeous. Yeah, I can't wait to try these kayaks out, dude. It's gonna be a fun experience.
However you want to tie them.
Whoops.
So you could do like a knot and tie.
What do you think, babe?
It's gonna be cool.
I think it'd be cool too. Some old friends and new friends, right? What's up, bro? It's kind of cool, man. Once you get to like a little section where there's less congestion and a little bit less intense, and especially after a long work week, this is kind of medicine for the soul. What is that right there? All those bubbles. See them?
Methane pocket. I don't know. Is that a fish? Because that's a mighty fish. Okay, so we're like heading into this like dark cove right now, and the sun is almost down. It's pretty dark out here. Look, you can see their glow lights. It's like you feel like a little kid going on an adventure to go explore something new. Feels like a deep sea cave, but I'm sure it's not. But we're gonna explore anyway. But we have to be quiet because it's so quiet and peaceful out here.
I know we didn't get no pictures.
What's up?
Made it back.